Hi guys, welcome, and in today's video we're gonna talk about what's on my iPhone 14 Pro Max. I got this cute case from Shein for $2. My lock screen is off a vision board that I made on Canva. Now on this page, at the top I have the calendar widget, and the second widget I can interchange the weather, maps, and notes. Then next I have clock, FaceTime, Google Maps, calculator, settings, App Store, and wallet. In the utilities folder, I keep apps that comes with the phone that I hardly use. The only app I use once in a while is GarageBand, and this app allows you to use music as your ringtone. Next to that, I have the books folder, and I only use Apple Books and Kindle at the moment. Then lastly, I have files and mail. And at the bottom, I have call, iMessage, text message, Safari, Apple Music. And then on to the next page. This is my favorite page, guys. This page has all the apps that I use the most. At the top, I have WhatsApp, TikTok, Instagram, and a social media folder. And you can follow me on Instagram. I follow back. Next in the social media folder, I keep Facebook, Messenger, Twitter, Pinterest. And in Pinterest, I use Pinterest like for wallpaper and motivational quotes and aesthetic, pretty much. Then there's YouTube. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys. Show some love. Then next there's YouTube Studio, camera, photo, and video editing apps. I'm new to video editing, so I'm trying to figure out which one of these apps are easier for me. Google Photos are just for backing up photos, and I have VN, Vixer, Lightroom, Bizarre, and Airbrush on this side. I mostly use CapCut and Lightroom, CapCut for videos and Lightroom for pictures. Then below that I have Gmail, notes, reminders, and photos. I literally use the notes app for everything, especially my to-do list, journaling, budgeting. There's so much you can do in the notes app without the need of downloading third-party apps. Then below there's Yahoo Mail, Finance, and in Finance folder I only have banking apps. That's just it. Then next to Finance, there's a shopping folder, Shein, Fashion Nova, Zara, Pretty Little Thing, Opoly, Amazon, Sephora, DHgate, AliExpress. There's so much shopping apps that I use. Then on the next side, I have H&M, Costco, Shoppers, Net-a-Porter, IKEA, Walmart, Wayfair, Temu. The next folder is called Side Hustle, and in this app I have eBay, Poshmark, Vinted, Depop, and I use those apps to resell items that I've used once or no longer need. Next is another favorite of mine, the Bible app, then Health and Fitness. And in the fitness folder, there's a Apple Fitness app, 7-minute workout, Apple Health, MyFitnessPal, and Glow. I use Apple Fitness to track my daily activities. I set move goal, walk goal, and see my progress. And next is the Glow app. I use this app to track my menstrual cycle. Then there's the food folder. Uber Eats, Skip the Dishes, DoorDash, Tim Hortons, Starbucks, McDonald's, KFC, Open Table, Secret Free. The Secret Free app is an app for updates with new Starbucks drink every week, so like a larger Starbucks menu. Then Pizza Hut. Now moving on to the travel folder, there's Uber, Lyft, Presto, which is for bus, and Super, Skiplog, Skyscanner, and all the others are used for flights and hotels. Next is the Influencer app. This app I use to receive free items in exchange for a review or post on Instagram. I've gotten so many hair and skincare products from this app, so if you love receiving free items, you should sign up. I currently have a task to complete because I received the package today. Next is coupons. Sometimes I'll check these to see which grocery store have a discount before going. Next is Chrome, then Tribe, and Join Brands. Join Brands is for UCG creators but only works in the US, so I'm gonna have to delete it. On to the next page, and at the top I have Freeform, and this is used to sketch a project or make a mood board. Next folder is just for 9-to-5 stuff. Then we have Productivity folder, which have Google Docs, Drive, Microsoft, Asana, and so on. Next to Productivity, I have Internet Server folder, just for Wi-Fi and phone connections. In the widget up top, I have my morning and evening routine. Then the home folder has like printer, air conditioning, camera, hydro. Next is Zoom for meetings. Next is a translating app, then Green P app for city parking. Below there's the Scene app I use for points for movies. Next I have Netflix, and can you guys recommend some good TV shows below? Then I have Prime Video. I use it to watch the 50 Cent TV shows like BMF, Power, Ghost. They're so good. I have Roku for the TV remote, then the games folder, Gardenscape, My Cafe, Ludo Club. Next up is my chart, which is a hospital file, and OLG is the lottery app, and PB is an app where you use their money to purchase something and you pay back without any interest. Below is the sticker maker app where you can get cool stickers for WhatsApp. Next I have WeTransfer, which is where you can send large files in email. Next I have Compress for making a file smaller to send. Then on the next page I have Upwork and Fiverr, which are freelancing apps. Team apps for meeting, and my wallpaper says it's time to believe in yourself. Now back on the widgets page, I have the Bible verse of the day at the top, then Apple Music. There's so much customization that I can do on this page to make it way cooler, but for now this works for me. And that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much if you've made it this far. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.